Okay, now here 7 plus 5x minus x square. 7 as it is, from next two terms we are taking minus common. Okay, we are taking minus common. Then inside will be plus x square and minus 5x. Okay, as minus is common inside the bracket, sign, we will change the sign of both the terms. 7 minus inside the bracket a square is x square minus 2 into a is x. B, what we will take? B, we will take here 5 by 2 because 2 cancel with 2, here will be 5x. Then b square will be 5 by 2 whole square. Okay, now here you can see this 7 as it is, minus as it is, this x square as it is, this 2 can cancel, 5x as it is, this is extra, this 5 by 2. You know 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4, and this minus also multiplying with this, it means this is minus 25 divided by 4. Then as minus 25 by 4, this is extra, then we have to add 25 by 4 to make this expression balanced. Now 7 as it is, this 25 by 4 outside the bracket, that also we will write here with 7 minus, then inside the bracket there is the formula form a square minus 2ab plus b square. That will be a is x minus b is 5 by 2 whole square. Then we will take here LCM. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 25 will be 53 divided by 4 minus x minus 5 divided by 2 whole square. Okay, now we can shift this 53 divided by 4. Okay, you know 53 by 4 is 13 all 1 by 4. 13 all 1 by 4 minus x minus 5 by 2 is 2 all 1 by 2 and square as it is. Okay, then it will be here in part B, what is saying? Part B. In part B is saying what is the turning point? Is it maximum or minimum point? You know, turning point we can get from this one here. This will be, we can write P minus this Q minus R here. K minus here will be x minus h whole square. H will be x coordinate and k will be the y coordinate of the turning point. Okay, then here hk is the turning point. H is 2 all 1 by 2, 2 all 1 by 2, you know 2.5, and k is 13 whole 1 by 4. Okay, 13 all 1 by 4 is 13.25. 13.25. As here coefficient of x square is negative. The coefficient of x square is negative, then this turning point will be the maximum point. This turning point will be maximum point. As domain is 0 to 7, 0 less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 7. This is domain. Okay, then what is the range? Okay, if we are making the term containing square, this one here, this one 0, then what will be y? Y mean the maximum value here. Maximum value we will get here 13.25. Y maximum is 13.25. Okay, and what is the minimum value here we can get? Okay, minimum value here we will use x7 in the function. F of x is 7, then 7 plus 5 into x is 7 minus x square means 7 square. Here will be 7. Okay, 7 square. Then this 7 5 is 35 plus 742 minus this 7 square 49. This will be 42 minus 49 is minus 7. It means the lowest value is minus 7, less than or equal to f of x is the range, and less than or equal to here will be the maximum value was 13.25. 13.25. This is the maximum value. This one. Sorry, this is the range value of this function. Okay, this is the range. Then after that, he's talking about this function. Is this having inverse function or not? No. This function has no inverse because this function is not 1 function. Okay, no.
Yeah, x plus 2. X plus that's
because
x plus 2 whole square.
This is
showing on the board. It will be
not
to convert the
1-to-1
function into the
mapping. Okay,
the square, it will be x
when
minus 2
1-to-1 mapping will not be there,
minus
then that will not have the inverse function.
That means therefore x.
This is question number 13.
B is p equal to minus 2 and q
Then question number 14.
negative. P is minus 2. P is plus 2. P is plus 2 because
Question 14
x plus p
is
whole square. Okay. Be careful. Don't be confused over there. P will be plus 2, not minus 2. Because our format is plus p, that's why.
part A.
Okay?
F of x is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 3. 2x square minus 8x plus 3. First of all, we will make the perfect square here. 2 we can take common. X square minus 4 2s are 8. As 2 is common, here will be minus 4x and plus 3 as it is. Then 2 as it is. Inside the bracket, we will make the perfect square. And here will be a square minus 2 into a is x. B we will take 2 because here is 4x. 2 2s are 4. Okay. B is 2, then 2 square is 4. This plus 3 as it is. Now here you can see this 2 as it is, x square as it is, 2 2s are 4x as it is. This is extra, 2 square is extra. Okay, then 2 square is 4, and with this 4, this 2 is also multiplying inside. Okay, it means 4 into this 2 will be 8. 8 is extra. 8 we are adding, then we have to subtract 8 also. Okay, then we have to subtract. Then this will be 2 into x minus 2 whole square inside the bracket, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a minus b whole square, and 3 minus 8 will be minus 5. This is the form, and 2x minus b whole square plus c. Then after that, in part B, what is saying is f inverse exists or not. Okay, and at what value of x f inverse exists? F inverse exists at x greater than or equal to 2, because if x will be less than 2, this term containing square, this is x minus 2. Okay, this one we will make this one 0. Okay, x minus 2 0, then x will be equal to 2. Okay, this is the minimum value. If minimum value is x equal to 2, then all other value will be greater than 2. It means f inverse here can exist greater than or equal to 2, because if less than 2 there will be, then that function f of x will not be 1 function. Okay, if that will not be 1 function, that cannot that will not having inverse function. Okay, then here f inverse exists for x greater than or equal to 2. This is the solution. Then next question is number 15. Question number 15. Question 15 here is f of x is equal to 4x square plus 6x minus 8. 4x square plus 6x minus 8. And first of all, we will make here the perfect square. Here he is saying x greater than or equal to m. What is the value of m? Okay, what is the value of m? First of all, we will make the perfect square here. 4 we can take common. Here will be x square plus from this one is we are taking 4 common. Okay, inside here will be x square plus, out of 6 4 we are taking common, then we will divide here inside, because here 4 is not available, we will divide, and minus 8 outside the bracket we will write as it is. Then f of x will be equal to 4 into, here will be, you can see this one, this cancels 4 and 6, this will be 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. Then a square plus 2 into a is x. B what we will write to make this 3 by 2x. Then here will be 3 divided by 4 we can take. You can see here you can see this 2 cancel with 4. Here will be 3 by 2. Okay, it means 3 by 2x is coming. If b we are taking 3 by 4, then b square will be equal to 3 by 4 all square minus 8 as it is. Now you can compare all the terms. 4 as it is, x square as it is, this 2 cancel with 4, here will be 3 divided by 2x as it is. This is extra term, and with this 4 also multiply. This is 3 square is 9 divided by 4 square 16. Outside that 4 also multiplying, then it will be 4 cancel with 16, here will be 4, 9 by 4. As 9 by 4 we are adding extra, then we have to subtract 9 by 4 as well. Then it will be f of x is equal to 4 as it is. Here inside the bracket x plus 3 by 2 4 whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a plus b whole square. Then outside minus 8 minus 9 by 4. Here we will take the LCM. 4 8s are third, minus 32 minus 9. I'm sorry, 8. Here what is the actual thing here? That is just 1 minute.
Okay, x equals 1.1, it is correct. X is 1.1, and if you write the answer into the one decimal place, it's 1.1. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, here 8 4s are 32. 32 and 9 is 41 divided by 4. Now here he's saying x greater than or equal to m. Okay, the term that is inside the bracket having square, that we are always taking greater than or equal to 0. X plus 3 divided by 4, this we will take greater than or equal to 0. X will be greater than or equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay, then here you can see x is greater than or equal to m. X greater than or equal to m. It means at the place of m is 3 by 4. Then m is equal to minus 3 by 4. And m will be equal to minus 3 by 4 is minus 0.75. This is the value of m. This is value of m. Now the last question, question number 16, I'm sharing with you in the WhatsApp group. Okay, you can see the solution of that one and prepare these solutions also. Okay, this exercise then you can finish. Okay, and about test I will inform you that when I will take. Okay, if in these questions you have any doubt, you can ask. Now I'm unmuting all of you. Okay, you can unmute yourself now. Okay, and can ask your doubts. You have any doubt?
Sir, can you explain question number 13C?
13. See this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here is maximum value. You know, always maximum value will be the y coordinate. Okay, this y coordinate is always the maximum value. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, maximum value we will take y coordinate, that is 13.25. This will be the maximum value. But minimum value we will substitute the domain that is given. This is given in the question, this 0 to 7. Okay, at 0 we will get 13.25. Then when we will use 7, okay, then there will be at 0 we will not get. When we will make the term containing square 0, okay, then we will get 13.25. But you can substitute this x7 in the given function. Given function was f of x equal to 7 plus 5x minus x square. Okay, at the place of x you can see here I'm substituting 7. Then simplify, you will get this minus 7. Okay, it means the lowest value here is minus 7 and the highest value is 13.25. It means range is minus 7 to 13.25. This is the range of this function. Understood?
So y is always the minimum point.
Y is, if the turning point is maximum, then y is always the maximum. Y coordinate of the turning point is always maximum value. If turning point is minimum point, here as you can see this written here maximum, okay, maximum point. If this point will be minimum point, then y coordinate of this turning point will always be the minimum value, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the last question solution I'm sharing with you, okay, on the WhatsApp group. Just you can go through from the solution and you can get easily the things, okay?
You got a passport? You got shown?
Yes, solution of question number 16 I shared with you, okay?
Who are getting, please continue.
On the WhatsApp, you can see.
Who are not getting, for them, actually here area of the triangle has given 40 centimeters square. The area of this triangle. So for this one,
Hello, sir.
Yes.
given basis.
I don't understand exercise 2.2 at all.
Which question? One by one. Which question?
The whole exercise.
Whole exercise. Who are you? What is your name?
I'm Adam.
Adam. Whole exercise you did not understand. Okay. Then repeat grade 8. Okay. If anything you cannot understand, then repeat the next grade. Sorry, last grade. Sorry, grade 7, not grade 8. Now you are in grade 8. Okay. If anything you cannot understand, then how you are sitting here in grade 8? If anyone has any doubt, ask me. Hurry up.
But I also don't understand 2.2.
If
Sir,
any
can you
doubt
explain-
is there, doubt ask me, okay?
Sir, can you explain me question number 15? The part from where you found the value of x. The x is greater than m.
X, you have book?
The blue part.
No, you have book.
Yes, sir.
In book, this thing is given x greater than or equal to m. Hello?
Yes.
Okay, and always we are getting value of x from the term that is containing square. On which term there is the perfect square? X
X
plus
plus
3,
3 by
3
4.
by 4. That way should be greater than or equal to 0. X plus 3 by 4. Then x will be greater than or equal to minus 3 by 4. Then x will be greater than or equal to minus 3 by 4. It means at the place of m, as given x is greater than m. Okay, then at the place of m there is minus 3 by 4.
How many
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So we always find the value of x from this perfect square.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe that is correct. Yeah, 4 and 9. And
Okay, sir.
one value will be negative, one value will be positive. You have to receive the positive one. Okay.